Just wanted to do a quick review on this little multi-tool that I picked up for Temu. I got this to go specifically in conjunction with this tire change kit that I also purchased, which I do recommend. The kit is very nice, and it comes with almost everything that you need except for something to pull the damn nail or screw out of your tire. Now, it comes with a screwdriver, so you could theoretically get a screw out with that, but what about a nail or a tack or a piece of glass or something? Well, you need a pair of pliers, and so I was looking for the cheapest foldable pliers that I could get off of Temu, and this is them. So this is obviously a pretty compact tool. It does fold out to a pretty sturdy set of pliers, and I have tested these, and they should be more than adequate for the occasional task of pulling out a nail or screw or some other thing from a tire, or sort of similar things. They are not the best to use because they do have the cuts in the handles here, so and the flats are quite small, so they do cut into your hands a little bit, but again, for occasional use, they should be just fine, and that's the only reason why I purchased them. The jaws are a decent finish. The tines do have a decent serration on them. I think that they would work fine. The rest of the tools, well, okay. This tool isn't junk for the rest of them. The pliers are fine. If all you want is a set of $3 foldable pliers, this is what I would recommend that you get. The rest of the tools are kind of a bonus, if you can call them that. Comes with a short blade, which is, I've sharpened it and it's still dull. This is pretty cheap. Might or might not be enough to cut simple things like a tire plug or whatever. It also comes with a somewhat difficult to get out crosshead driver, which doesn't look like much. I wouldn't necessarily rely on it, but it might be good for a few things, light duty things in a pinch. Comes with the obligatory bottle opener, and I guess that's a flathead screwdriver, although the finish is anything but flat. The corners are rounded. I'm not sure I would trust that with anything. And then a saw, which is so small as to be pretty pathetically useless. I wouldn't even try to use that on anything unless I had absolutely no other choice. And then on the other side, you've got this little LED emergency light, which uses tiny batteries. It's a single LED. Looks bright in the video, but honestly, this is pretty crappy. This would be your light of last resort, to be sure, but it's better than nothing. So if, again, all you're looking for is a set of foldable pliers, I wouldn't call this a real multi-tool, but as a set of folding pliers, it is decent enough for the task that I bought it for, and it was only about $3. So if that's what you need and that's what you're looking for, then I would go ahead and buy them.